scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery. Mysterious spiral signals, resembling vortices, have been found swirling around the human brain. These enigmatic brain whirlwinds were observed in the cerebral cortex, responsible for crucial cognitive functions. The spirals act as a dynamic link, connecting different regions of the brain and facilitating faster information processing during complex actions. These brain vortices originate at the boundaries between functional areas, serving as flexible connectors that optimize the transmission of commands. By altering their rotation, the helices adapt to different language processing and working memory tasks. This remarkable finding holds the potential to enhance our understanding of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease, which affect the cerebral cortex. The discovery of these mysterious spiral brain waves opens up a new realm of possibilities in neuroscience. Researchers are captivated by the mesmerizing patterns and intricate dynamics of these spirals, which remain shrouded in mystery. Further exploration of their origin and purpose may unveil the secrets behind complex brain activity and pave the way for advancements in the understanding and treatment of various cognitive disorders.